guys, this is Gar Guy UK. So I wanted to show you the footage from the Nextbase Dash Cam 422GW. So straight off the bat, I just want to let you know that I am recording the footage in 2K resolution, and that is at 30 frames per second. I've got it on the highest resolution for this dash cam. You can record footage at 1080p HD at 60 frames per second, but I want to use the highest resolution available. That's making sure the footage that I get is as crisp as it can be. So as you can see here, this is the car still, so I'm waiting to get some petrol, and as you can see the car in front of me, you can see the reg plate, you can see everything quite clearly. It's a really sunny day, so I'm thinking great visibility when it's sun shining and it's really light. The camera has no problems at all. I mean, the dash cam really does pick everything up here. So in these conditions, you're not really going to have a problem in picking up vital information that you need to record. Okay, so as we're driving in this particular clip, the information's quite clear. You can see number plates on cars. So as you can see in this clip, we can see the signs. Again, it's a sunny day, so everything is being picked up. As we drive down this street, you can clearly see the number plates. What I'll do is I'll just slow it down a little bit. But again, the conditions are really good, so you can see everything very clearly. Okay, so this is a bit overcast. It's quite a cloudy day. Coming up to some traffic here. And as you can see, there's still no trouble reading signs and also number plates. So I think again, even on an overcast day, it's going to pick up the information that you require. So far, an overcast day and a sunny day, I think the Nextbase Dash Cam really does provide value for money. It displays quite a lot of the information, the screen's clear, it's crisp. So yes, on sunny days and overcast days, I think the Nextbase Dash Cam really does pick out a lot of the information that you would require should you need to download this footage for any reason. And also the video is very smooth as well. Okay, so if we move on to some footage that's taken at night, as you can see there, the car's going past me while I'm at the traffic lights. You can clearly see the registrations. There's not much glare from the car lights, so you're still able to make out important information should you need it. Again, you can see the information on the signs as you pass them. There is always going to be a little bit more blur and reflection at night from the lights of the car reflecting off surfaces and also street lighting. Okay, so I just wanted to show you some footage in the rain as well. So it's quite a rainy day. You can still make out the writing on the signs, and as you can see, it's still quite clear despite the rain. And as we come up to the car in front, you can see that we can still see the car registration clearly. So I don't think this dash cam is phased in bad weather either. it's picking up all the information even in the rain should you need it. So the resolution of this footage that I'm recording is 1440p at 30 frames per second. You can record at 1080p HD at 60 frames per second, but I think 1440p, which is classed as 2K, I think is going to give you the advantage of footage recording and get you the clearest picture. Okay, so I hope this footage has given you some indication on what this dash cam is like and what the recording footage performance is like. If you want to look at my previous videos, I'll link them at the end of this video. So I did one installing the product and one unboxing the product. And I will also leave a link to where you can purchase these products in the description. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, and it would really help if you were able to subscribe to my channel also if you've enjoyed the content. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.